Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. As more car manufacturers agree to go electric, British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Asif Ahmad, is urging local mechanics to consider improving their skills before it's too late. He was speaking at the launch of Evergo's electric vehicle charging station in St. Anne. Andrew Lately reports.
The future of transport is electric. That's the word from British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Asif Ahmad. And it's not just talk. He highlighted that car manufacturers are already making the transition.
Is that alongside all the other manufacturers, Jaguar Land Rover have made a commitment that is probably more brave than anybody else. They have said that in 4 years' time, they will stop manufacturing vehicles driven by petrol and diesel engines. The Defender, the Discovery, the Range Rover, the I-Pace, the F-Pace, the XC, all of them, every single one of them will be electric powered, and they will lose nothing in their performance.
That's why Mr. Ahmad is urging aspiring mechanical engineers to consider electronic engineering as well.
A lot of people who've made their trade in what I call mechanical engineering will now have to transition into electronic engineering. And I think that's very exciting for young people, going to college and studying now, to say, well, maybe we'll leapfrog and not just invest in old technology, but really find out how these vehicles work.
He says strategic planning and upskilling will allow Jamaicans to take up jobs to be created in the electronic vehicle industry.
But there'll be a real shortage in the very near future. Within the next 5 to 10 years, this country will be crying out for electronic engineers. And this is my big sort of shout out to everybody young, saying invest in it now so that you're ready when the island is going to go more and more electric in the years ahead.
The InterEnergy Group, which is the parent company of Evergo, has already installed over 150 charging stations in the Dominican Republic and has another 60 earmarked for Jamaica. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Lower electricity rates, the main cause of a dip in consumer prices in April. This as a result of lower fuel rates and a fall in the billing exchange rate. Overall, prices decreased at a rate of 0.5% during the month. However, the decline was tempered by higher food and gas prices. The dip dragged the point-to-point inflation rate to 3.8%, which is notably below the Bank of Jamaica's target of between 4 to 6%. Currency trading now, well, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $150.67. The Canadian dollar sold for $124.66. The pound is going for $211.20, while the euro closed at $183.93. The JC Index gained 2,576 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 15 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Express Catering, Stationery and Office Supplies, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, and Caribbean Cream. On the losing side were First Rock US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Ordinary Shares, Knutsford Express, Portland JSX, and the KLE Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Good evening.